I would say it probably all started with my mom's cancer and really starting to understand that not only is there medical treatments to help fight cancer, but there's things that you can do. There's power within yourself to eat better, to take better care of yourself, to manage your stress, to help you get through stuff like that. So I think that was really kind of the tip of the iceberg for me, maybe like that gateway drug to higher consciousness and higher understanding of body health.
Another thing that you like to talk about was the importance of physical health as it pertains to mental health. What do you think is the most important factor of that?
Well, all of it. They're just doing so much more research now. We're realizing that you don't just have a healthy heart. You don't just have a healthy brain. You don't just have a healthy body, that all of these things are working together in your body system. There's studies about how when you are actually taking probiotics, you can reduce the feelings of depression that you're having, that through doing exercise, you can actually reduce your anxiety. So they are all so connected. There's a really awesome organization called the Heart Math Institute also, because we've kind of always thought of our brain as this control tower of our body and that it's affecting everything else in our body. But through the Heart Math Institute, they're actually learning that your heart is sending more messages to your brain than the other way around. And so there's just so much that we don't understand about the body. So if we can care for the whole body, we can be intuitive about understanding that when your body doesn't physically feel well or doesn't emotionally feel well, that it's not something that should be shamed. It's just our body telling us that something's out of alignment, something's not functioning optimally, and that we should listen to those little nudges. And that's our body's way of saying, hey, it's time to check in. Let's see what we can do to take care of ourselves better. And it's so interconnected. It's so important.
Right. And it's clear that you love to do your homework and your research as far as neurological advances with the law of attraction and everything that pertains to, physical health and mental health. Are these certain things that you're just passionate about, or do they actually translate into your workplaces?
Well, I mean, for starters, I'm a little bit of a nerd on that kind of stuff. So I just love learning, and anytime there's new information out there, or like I know that there's an organization in California that's working on finding a formulaic equation for consciousness. And I'm just like, tell me more, tell me everything, So there's definitely an element of, I'm just totally geek out on it. But I would say it probably all started with my mom's cancer and really starting to understand that not only is there medical treatments to help fight cancer, but there's things that you can do. There's power within yourself to eat better, to take better care of yourself, to manage your stress, to help you get through stuff like that. So I think that was really kind of the tip of the iceberg for me, maybe like that gateway drug to higher consciousness and higher understanding of body health. But a lot of the work that I've done for other people, I actually started as like a musical theater and art history major. 2 totally useless degrees, by the way. But I have found that with the work that I'm doing now, it's interesting how everything comes full circle, because now I know so much about religion through my studies in art history. I know so much about being on camera as I'm producing content for my online community. And so I don't know if everything that I've done has always helped me be more passionate about learning about the law of attraction or sharing about health, but it's certainly all played a part in me being able to deliver those messages now.
Right. Something that we like to call our experts is lifelong learners. Is usually this common theme that they're always just trying to educate themselves and find as much information as possible. So to call yourself a geek or a nerd, I think it's better to just call yourself a lifelong learner.
That sounds so much more romanticized. I like it. I'm going to use it.